If you're a homeowner or a business owner, an automatic gate opener is a functional addition that can make your life easier and your property more secure. It increases your privacy and prevents random people from entering your property or driveway without your permission. Gate openers help minimize passerbys' access to your property and reduce the risk of theft, damages, or unwanted soliciting. Manually opening and closing a gate can be physically demanding and tedious, especially if you have a particular heavy gate. An automatic gate makes it simpler and more convenient to open a gate without lifting a finger, literally. In addition, an automatic gate opener can increase the value of your property. Exactly how much does it cost to install an automatic gate opener? Keep watching to discover the answer to that question as we give you a fairly accurate breakdown of what to expect in terms of cost when installing an automatic gate opener on your property. The motor and opening mechanism is the main difference between regular and electric gates. You can convert any gate into an electric or automatic one by installing a gate opener. With an automatic gate opener, you do not need to exit your car to open and close your gate, which can be particularly helpful during a downpour or when you are exhausted from the day's work. As you may already know, there are different gate types, so choosing the right gate opener for your gate is important. Fortunately, there are gate openers for all gate types, including swing, slide, and parking barrier gates for residential and commercial application. The cost of an automatic gate opener ranges between $400 and $5,000 depending on the project. You can expect to spend around $1,500 to $3,000 to install the automated system. The final cost is affected by a few factors, including the type of opener, the size and weight of the gate, how the gate opens, slide, swing, or parking barrier. While finding a gate that comes with an opener is possible, most companies sell operators separately from gates. In any case, the total cost of installing an electric gate will depend on whether you're installing an automatic opener alone or both a new gate and an opener. You can spend anything from $730 to $11,000 to purchase a new gate. The exact cost will depend on the size, weight, material, and type of gate you want for your project. For example, vinyl gates are slightly cheaper than wood gates and metal gates of the same size and type. Purchasing a new electric gate constructed from vinyl can cost between $750 and $5,000, while it would cost around $850 to $8,500 to buy a new electric wooden gate. A metal gate or wrought iron gate is more expensive, so you can expect to spend between $1,100 and $8,600 to get a new electric metal gate. You don't need to buy and install a new gate if you are happy with your existing gate. All you need to focus on is getting the right automatic gate opener for your type of gate. Gate opening mechanisms are usually designed for the following gate types. Swing gate openers can cost anywhere from $550 to $5,000 or more, depending on the application. For example, a swing gate opener for simple residential use, such as the BFT Phobos, costs a little under $550. On the other hand, an automatic swing gate opener designed for industrial purposes like the heavy-duty linear 2-horsepower automatic gate opener with variable speed costs over $5,000. You can purchase a simple chain-driven slide gate opener like the J-Slide for under $350 or invest in a complete solar kit for a little over $2,000. Industrial sliding gates with hydraulic operation can be very expensive, costing between $20,000 to more than $30,000 in some cases, and this does not include electric gate installation costs. The good news is that you can find an automatic slide gate opener suitable for just about any budget. Parking barrier gate openers are common in commercial application. On the higher end of the price spectrum, automatic gate openers for parking barrier can cost as much as $50,000, although you can get many excellent options from $3,000 to $6,000. Besides the cost of a new gate, an automatic gate opener, you still need to factor in the labor cost. While you can install an automatic gate yourself, perhaps to save cost, it is usually best to hire a professional to do it for you. Several things can go wrong with a DIY automatic gate opener installation. The gate might not work as expected, opening the wrong way, and you could damage the system and the gate motor, or risk electrical shock, especially if you're inexperienced. Also, the warranty on the gate opener might not cover a DIY installation, leaving you with a useless system and thousands of dollars down the drain. You can avoid this colossal loss by letting a professional do the job. Installers may charge between $50 per hour up to $150, and the installation process can be completed in a day depending on the project scope. Automatic gate opener are worth the investment for both residential and commercial premises. The access control mechanism improves security and privacy, saves you time and effort to enter and exit your property. Besides, gate openers can increase your property's value and eliminate the cost of employing security personnel to man your entry or driveway gate. If you're interested in buying and installing an automatic gate opener, we're here to help you find the perfect gate operator for your needs. With our expertise and top-of-the-line products, we know that together we can make sure your home or business is securely protected. You will find the links to the product we have mentioned here on the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.